Good day, engineers. Welcome back to my channel, RH Engineering. For today's tutorial, didiscuss ko lang yung common na chine-check ko during analysis. So, we have here a model. I-show ko yung pinaka lower level or yung reaction level. Then, iselect ko yung corresponding points or reaction na gusto kong extract yung reaction. Then, i-check ko yung dead load. I-compare ko kung sakto ba as per sa manual calculation. Okay? Not totally manual, pero yung weight ng model mismo compared sa magiging reaction niya. Okay? So, punta tayo dun sa reaction table. Then, sa output case, select ko yung dead load lang. Okay? And under sa FZ column, ito yung reaction, vertical reaction. Ibig sabihin, yung gravity weight niya or gravity reaction corresponding sa dead load na load cases. So, isa-sum up ko yan. Then, i-compare ko later dun sa magiging weight ng as per model. Okay? Pwede siya i-manual by getting the volume ng bawat elements, pero madami yan eh. Kung malaki yung structure mo. Ang ginagawa ko dito, pumupunta ako dun sa model definition. Okay? So, i-highlight natin muna yung model or yung corresponding elements na gusto natin makuha para i-compare natin sa total reaction, vertical reaction. So, punta tayo sa model, miscellaneous data. And we have, in the material list, we have 3 options. Okay? So, yan, pero kukunin muna natin yung may total na para ma-compare natin doon sa nakuha nating reaction, total reaction. So, meron tayong by section, list by section, and meron ding by level. Pero kung makikita niyo wala siyang total. Ito yung pangatlo, yung material list by story. Ito yung may total na weight or vertical reaction as per sa self-weight niya. So, makikita natin sa weight and Kn, ito yung total na yan. Meron tayong 210,502.0447 na kilonewton na weight. So, as you can see, around 0.0153 kilonewton lang ang difference between sa weight ng per elements and based dun sa reaction natin. So, very minimal lang. So, i-check natin din yung by list and by section. Kailangan, kapag isum up natin yan lahat, magtutugma dun sa total na reaction na nakuha natin. Okay? So, paste lang natin yan. Then, we will get the summation of these reactions. I mean, is this weight of each element. So, as you can see, the same dun sa pangatlong option. Okay? And also, check din natin yung by object type. Kailangan magparehas yun dun sa 210,502.04. And sum up natin. So, as you can see, parehas siya. So, yun. Yun lang guys. Yun lang yung pinaka-basic na checking ko during analysis pa lang yun na wala pang mga loadings. Kasi, kapag kapag magdagdag ka kasi ng, for example, yung SDL mo magdagdag ka, then ispasok mo dun sa load cases under sa dead load, mag-iiba na yun yung result mo. So, pwede mo siya i-check, pero huwag mo na ipasok sa dead load para ma-check mo lang yung self-weight na ma-transfer dun sa reaction. Yun lang guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to follow my page and YouTube, RH Engineering. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.